Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to slowly zoom in on CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create a slow zoom in effect on CapCut using your Android device, follow these steps. First, launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap New Project from the home screen. Choose the video you want to edit and tap Add. Once your video is added, tap on the video clip and the timeline to choose it. On the toolbar at the bottom, find Keyframes, the diamond shape icon. Then move the playhead to the point and the timeline where you want the zoom to start. Tap the keyframe icon to mark the starting point. Next, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end. Now pinch and zoom on the video preview screen to adjust the scale and create the zoom effect. You'll notice the video will now gradually zoom in between the two keyframes. Now, the speed of the zoom will depend on how far apart the two keyframes are. If you want a slower zoom, space them further apart on the timeline. To preview, tap the play button to preview your zoom effect. Once you're happy with the result, tap Export in the top right corner to save your video. This will give your video a smooth and gradual zoom in effect in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.